Hello, YouTube people. Music Therapy Laz here. Howdy. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing here. I'm thinking about doing a series called Music Therapy Thursdays. And part of what I wanted to do, since I've gotten the studio kind of coming back together, is to do something on a regular basis like a lot of other channels do. And one of the things I wanted to do is like a pedal board build. But the last time I did a pedal, oh, by the way, 42 Gear Street. Yeah, I got the sweater. The last time I wanted to do a pedal board build, I didn't have time, and I also found I didn't have like enough cables. So what I mean by that is, let's see, let me grab a couple. I have a variety of cables like this and this, and these things they're fat. They don't, fit well and go easily in between pedals, and you definitely don't want to use anything like this. Something that I also try to keep things semi-organized here. Where did I put them? Yeah, you definitely don't want to use anything like this, because if your pedals move around in any way, or you want to take one off and put one back on, these can be a real problem. They can damage your pedals. So sorry about that. So I have these sitting in this like little tray of crap. So I ordered some stuff from my buddy Evan at Sweetwater. He's my rep. It's really cool to have a sales engineer that's usually always around, and you can get good deals on stuff, and I was able to get a good price on everything I got. So I went ahead and ordered a few pedal board like cables, a better quality one, and they're really good. They're these flat ones made in Sweden or Switzerland, something like that. Anyway, I think Switzerland. And then on top of that, I have another special unboxing, unpackaging. So I'll do this one first, because some of you guys might recognize that name, that company. Yes, I'm one of the nutsos, as Henning Pauly would call us, fans of his, because we're crazy enough to follow him, to actually pay good money out for one of these crazy, plastic bag statically stuck on there, one of these crazy YouTuber face sweaters. There's Steve from Boston. Anyway, there's a bunch of different people on here, so I got it just to be part of the clan. I love that guy. I love what he's done for the YouTube community. I think he's probably one of the only guys out there that's really trying to create YouTube as a platform for people like myself and other musicians to try to find a way to break into the industry outside of the usual way, which doesn't even work anymore. The usual way is gone now, right? So on top of that, I got this package from Sweetwater, and I need my unpackaging knife, which is actually this kind of cool little carry, flat little, kind of cool to have. Comes right out, right? I don't recommend using this at an airport. And so I got a few things from Sweetwater so I can build my pedal board, because last time when I wanted to build it, I really couldn't put it together quickly enough, and I got a whole brand new, I already have one of these, so now I've got another one. Paper waste, kind of sucks. Anyway, so I got a bunch of these really nice flat cables. I think the company is EMS or something like that, so Premium Gold. I don't know if you can read that. Premium Gold flat cables. I don't know if that helps anybody with anything, but yeah, they're super flat. Look how thin that is, and gold tipped and all the way through. Really good quality cables, and I've got I got six 6-inch ones and 6 12-inch, or almost like 11-inch. So some longer ones and some shorter ones. pull this apart. So I can connect some that are farther away. And, you know, I have some other longer ones. I might even get the longest ones that they have, but that's 11 inches apart, or almost a foot. So I'm going to demo these and see how they sound versus my other ones. But look at how much of a difference that is versus that, right? I mean, you can see big difference in how much space they're going to take up, and they do the same thing, right? So outside of that, I've got another special unboxing, and I've been wanting to get this, and this is by our good friends at Electro-Harmonix, and it is the freeze pedal. Yes, so this is, I got a deal on this, so of course I always try to get a deal. I abide by the Steve from Boston and Louis the Tone King philosophy of always get a deal. Ask for the deal, get a deal. So the freeze pedal is a really cool pedal. I'll obviously do a demo of this too. You know, it's funny, I keep saying I'm going to do demos of stuff and I never get around to it, but I really must get around to it. And so the Therapy Thursdays thing is going to be, the Music Therapy Thursdays is going to be about that. So I will do a demo of this later, maybe just first impressions, later tonight perhaps, and throw that up. But what this does is it basically freezes, when you step on it, the point at which you were on with your, you know, your output of your guitar, so the sound. And you can hold it for as long as you want. There's latch mode where it actually holds it in that position until you step on the pedal, or you can do it where you're just stepping down on the pedal and you hold it until you release, right? And then there's fast and slow. I think that basically is how you know the attack of the latching is, I think. And then you have level, obviously the effect level. So this is a cool pedal because I've seen people using it as a practice tool, where you hold a specific note, like an E major, scale, either a chord or a note in that scale, and then play that scale over the top of it to learn how to, play around a specific scale. So that's one way to use it, and I can imagine other things that we can do with it, so we'll come up with ideas. So that's it for today, and right now anyway, and I just wanted to throw this up as maybe the first of my Music Therapy Thursdays videos. So I'll try to do this every week. If it's not an unboxing, it'll be a demo, and maybe I'll follow this one up with another demo. And one other note is that I have not yet gotten around to learning how or getting an editing software and doing editing on videos yet, but at some point I will get around to that, and that way I can put better quality videos together, not just these record and play and hopefully make some sense of what I'm saying videos. And I'll try to get around to doing another shop your mom and pop shop video as well, because that's something I wanted to do on a monthly basis. So thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing especially, and if you hit that notification bell, you'll get notifications of the next one going up. And until next time, thank you, and Music Therapy Labs out.